Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviriyam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Chapter 1, Section 2, Mantra number 9. Naisha tarkena matirapaneya Proktanyenaiva sujñaya preshta Yam tvamapah satyadhrutirbatasi Tvadruganyo bhuyan nachiketah prashta Yamadharmaraja praising Nachiketas and highlighting this Brahma Vidya which can never be received by logic. Esha Matihi. Naisha is there in the first line. Na Esha. Matirapaneya. In that Mati you have to take Esha Matihi. This knowledge. This knowledge means what knowledge? That self-knowledge or Brahma Jnanam. This knowledge, Esha Matihi, Tarkena na apaneya. Tarkena means by reasoning, by logic, by rational thinking only, it is not available. For this I have given an example how logic cannot enter in the field of self-knowledge. Just as our sense organs function in their own field, they cannot enter in other field of knowledge. For example, this is the clip. This knowledge can be proved only by the eyes. The form, this object, clip knowledge can be grasped by only the eyes. Eyes alone can prove, eyes alone can negate. Here there is no clip. Who can say? Only eyes. There is clip. Only eyes can say. Eyes are the pramanam. I get the knowledge of the clip. Clip is here. If clip is not there, there is no clip. Clip abhava jnanam also through the eyes. Because the form that functions only through this pramanam, knowledge. But whereas I don't want to use eyes, I want to use my ears to know the clip, whether the clip is there. Suppose the ears want to come and know the clip. Whether clip is there or not, that clip knowledge also ears cannot get that knowledge. Or clip is not there also, either they can prove the clip existence or the ears cannot prove the clip absence. Clear? Clip is not there. The absence of the clip cannot be proved by the ears. Presence of the clip also cannot be proved by the ears. That means what? Shrotra Indriyam cannot function in the field of the forms and colors. Shrotra Indriyam cannot function. Similarly, eyes cannot function in the field of sound. Now the sound is there or not, who will have to prove? Only ears. Sound absence. Sound presence, sound absence, who can know? Only ears, not eyes. Similarly, if you understand this example clearly, is there any doubt in this? Same way, Brahman asti, Atma is there, that Atma I am, this knowledge is possible only to Shrabdha Pramana. Vedanta Mahavakya Dwara eva Jnana Praptihi, not by logic. Logic can never prove the Brahman, logic can never disprove the Brahman. Why? Just as the ear cannot enter in its different field, logic is entirely different. It cannot enter the field of Brahman. Why? What is the reason? Because Brahman is apramanam. Any logic you can know only through sense organs. Through your buddhi, manas, all other sense organs, pratyaksha, anumana, upamana. Logic can function in these fields, not in the field of Brahman. Logic cannot work there in the field of Brahman. The reason is, logic is not available for any objectification. Brahman is not available for objectification, verification or any type of thesis, studies. So, tarkena na apaneya. It cannot be attained by reasoning. By your own intellect, buddhi. This tarka, rational thinking, reasoning, logic all function at what faculty? Buddhi, intellect. So therefore, since Kathopanishad says, Yamadharmaraja says, Tarka will not enter in the field of Brahman, through Tarka you cannot attain Brahman, therefore people come to conclusion, therefore I will stop my Buddhi. What is the use of this buddhi? Let me stop my buddhi. That's why close your eyes, stop the mind, stop the buddhi. Work in meditation they want to stop the buddhi. Suppose if anyone says, if I stop my intellect, what will happen? Before stopping the buddhi, you are ignorant. Now also ignorant only. When you stop the intellect also you are ignorant. Before stopping the intellect also you are ignorant. Therefore, thoughtfully ignorant that time. When you are thinking using intellect, you are thoughtfully ignorant. After stopping the buddhi, thoughtlessly ignorant. Any difference in ignorant, ignorant da. What we say, don't stop the buddhi, don't stop the mind. Never expect to know that Atma only through your intellectual knowledge. Shastra pramanena eva Atma jnanam. Tarka is the only secondary support. Here only many people failed to know the Brahman. In this only. Always they want to know either through their eyes or nose or ears or some sense organs or through the mind or through the intellect. Everybody, maximum people, they want to know Brahman through their, all these pramanas, where they will fail, utter failure now. That's why there is a funny shloka. The shloka is Kim karishyati vaktaraha shrota yatra na vidyate. Kim karishyati vaktaraha. Vaktaraha means the preachers, the speakers. Kim karishyati vaktaraha shrotra yatra na vidyate. The person who is listener. Shrotra means shrota. Shrota yatra na vidyate. Shrota is not there. The listener is not there. How the speaker can speak? I am talking here. I cannot speak on my own, no, sitting in the hall. Can I speak 1 hour? Because you are all sitting, Shrota, so many listeners are here, I am able to talk. If listeners are not there, what am I going to do here? Nothing. I have no job at all. Because of your blessings only I am sitting here, no? Because of your presence. Yes or no? Vaktaraha kim karishyati yatra shrotana vidyate. Similarly, Nagna shapanage deshe rajakaha kim karishyati. Nagna shapanage deshe, rajakaha means washerman. In a village where people are not, Digambar Jainas are there, suppose. You know Digambar Jainas? They don't wear clothes. Digambar Jainas, they all stay in one place. அங்க போய் வாஷர்மேனுக்கு என்ன வேலை இருக்கும்? நக்ன க்ஷபணகே தேசே ரஜகஹா வாஷர்மேன் கிம் கரிஷ்யதி. அவனுக்கு என்ன வேலை அங்கன்னா? அவனுக்கு வேலை இருக்காது. he'll become unemployed. அது மாதிரி இந்த லாஜிக்கு போய் அங்க என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? பிரம்மன் விஷயத்துல ஒன்னும் பண்ண முடியாது. வேலை இருக்காது லாஜிக்கு. So therefore another commentator says beautifully, this tarka is more dangerous. How dangerous it is, na? He gives a beautiful sloka. Yatnena anumito pyarthaha kushalaihi anumatrubhihi. Kushalaihi, by a skillful people, anumatrubhihi means by the logicians, great logicians. Yatnena anumitopi arthaha. With lot of difficulty, they have established a logical standpoint. Finally, they have established a theory in their own field with lot of effort. Yatrena anumitopyarthaha kushalaihi anumatrubhihi. But abhiyukta taraihi anyehi anyathaye upapadyate. Even mele innurthar varuva. No? The greatest one to condemn this person. The third line tells, abhiyukta taraihi, greater than this person, another person will come, anyehi anyathaye upapadyate. No, you are telling it is wrong. What I am going to say is the right, he says. And he refutes his theory and he brings another theory. Another intelligent person will come, he come and he refutes this person's theory and he will establish his theory. All these are all like this, relatively one by one come and negates the other. I told you, no, PhD thesis madre. Even theory is the right and solluva. Another person vande thesis present pandi, idu tappan solli adu present pannuva. அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் முடியாது. பிரம்மன் விஷயம்ல யாருமே நெகேட் பண்ண முடியாது. That's why commentators writes, see, you have to protect the cow from the jaws of a lion. Okay, every one of us want to protect the cow from the jaws of a lion. அதே மாதிரி இந்த பிரம்ம வித்யாங்கிற கவுனு தர்க்கங்கிற லயன் ஜாஸ்ல இருந்து ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணணுமா? The cow ingra Brahma Vidya. Okay, we have to protect it. It should not fall in the jaws of the lion. Who is lion? Tarka, logic. And the logic padakudadan anardham. The seekers of knowledge, the student should not fall enamored by the logic. It is so dangerous anardham. Use the tarka, get knowledge and be free. But don't hold on to tarka. That's what Yamadharmaraja says. Naisha tarkena matirapaneya. Oh dear one, he Preshtha, Prokta Anyena eva Sujnanaya. Anyena eva. How then, without logic, how can I understand? You can understand only by Anyena Sujnanaya eva. By someone else alone, Anyena eva Prokta. When it is taught by a person who is a Brahmanishtaha. Taught by a person who is Brahmanishtaha, then only Sujnanaya. You will get knowledge by that only. Anyena eva Prokta. When it is taught by someone else, that someone else means a great teacher, Shrotriya Brahmanishtaha, sincere, consistently teaching the teacher, from him or her only you get the knowledge, not by logic. Tvam apaha yam. You have attained that knowledge. That means tvam apaha yam. That which knowledge I am going to give to you, and you are going to attain that knowledge. Anyena Prokta eva Sujnanaya. Satyadhritihi vata asi. You are really Satyadhritihi. You are the one who is committed. Dhritihi means with willpower, holding on to that Satyam, that Brahman, the truth, the ultimate. That is called Satyadhriti. Dhru dhatu. Dhritihi means one who is having that Viveka Vairagyam in his intellect and artham. Whose intellect is committed towards the truth, that is Brahman, and those who want to know that Brahman sincerely is called Satyadhritihi. Hey Nachiketas, O Nachiketaha, Naha bhuyat prashtat tvadrika. Naha for us, may we have bhuyat. Let us have many students or sons like you. இந்த மாதிரி sons இருந்தா நச்சிகேதன் மாதிரி எவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்கும். நமக்கு நச்சிகேதன் மாதிரி வேண்டாம் சுவாமி, எல்லாம் ஐஐடில படிச்சு அமெரிக்கா போகணும். யாருக்கு வேணும்? சிவாஜினும் ராணா பிரதாப் எல்லாம் வீட்டுல வேண்டாம். நமக்கு நல்ல பக்கா வீட்டுல இருக்கணும். பக்கா வீட்டுல இருக்கணும் சிவாஜி, நம்ம வீட்டுல வேண்டாம். அதே மாதிரி நச்சிகேதன் எங்கேயாவது பிறக்கட்டும், நம்ம வீட்டுல இருக்க கூடாது. ஏன்னா நம்ம வீட்டுல இருந்தா கஷ்டம், எல்லாம் வைராக்கியம் விவேகம் இருந்தா கஷ்டம், டாலர்ஸ் எல்லாம் வராது இல்லையா? Not you, I am telling, whole world enamored by the money. No? So therefore, so he says, Prashtat Tvadrika. Tvadrika means like you, seekers like you. You are as good as a Jnani. So I like you, Nachiketa, very much. After you also I want to get some more students like you. How fortunate, no? How fortunate Nachiketas. I am jealous of Nachiketas really. He is so attracted towards his by Guru. No? அது கிடைக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஏன்னா நமக்கு இது இருக்கணுமே, அது இருந்தாதான் குருவுக்கு எவ்வளவோ நாலேஜ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? இட்ஸ் ஹேவிங் லாட் ஆஃப் நாலேஜ். இந்த குருவுக்கு விருப்பமா நம்ம இருக்கணும்னா நமக்கு எவ்வளவு சித்த சுத்தி, மனசு பியூரிபிகேஷன் இருக்கணும் பாருங்க. அதனால அவர் இன்னும் சொல்ல மாட்டார் குரு, உனக்கு இது வேணும் அது வேணும், இது இருந்தாதான் ஐ வில் லவ் யூ, ஐ வில் லைக் யூன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டார். பாத்துக்கிட்டே இருப்பாரு, எங்கெங்க நல்ல குணம் இருக்கும் அப்படியே கண்டுபிடிச்சுப்பாரு குரு. அதனால yesterday I heard one sloka, beautiful sloka. ஏன ராமம் ந பஷ்யதி எஸ்ச ராமம் ந பஷ்யதி ந ராமேண பஷ்யதி. Who is not seen by Rama, who do not see Rama, they are unfortunate people. Yam cha Ramam na pashyati. Who do not see Rama, no, through their eyes. Or Yena Ramena pashyati. No? Yena Ramena na pashyati. Who is not seen by Rama, who do not see the Rama. They are unfortunate people. Adu madri, whoever seen by the Guru and whoever sees the Guru. And the words next class nu solren and full sloka. Whose on whom the Guru's vision will fall, or what is sonne thirupi solren. Whose on whom the Guru's vision will fall is it is Mahabhagyama. Or who sees the Guru when exactly Guru is seeing to us. When exactly seeing Guru anna anganga paathu appo correct ah paakanumanilla. எப்பவுமே குரு முகத்திலே பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கணும். எப்போ குரு பார்வை நம்ம மேல விடுமோ தெரியாது. அந்த மாதிரி நடந்தது பாக்கியமா லைஃப்ல. அந்த சென்டென்ஸ் சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல சொல்றேன் அப்புறம். ஓகே, அது மாதிரி இங்க நச்சிகேதஸ் was praised by Yamadharmaraja so much. Only the appreciation, the praise only because of one reason. Once the student value their teaching and the teacher values that teaching, and who is the student value the teaching, that relation is the highest. All other relations so relations. No? All other relations means just like that. Relations just like that, not that relation. Only vidya kahave and the relation. That's why we have to see the Guru, always appreciate the Guru, praise the Guru, love the Guru, develop devotion to Guru only because of vidya, knowledge. Then our relation is with Guru is highly significant and great. And at the same time the Guru also sees the only student, how he listens, how she listens, how loves the subject, how she is attracted to Vedanta study. அது இருந்தா அந்த டீச்சருக்கு கூட அந்த சிஷ்யன் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். இல்ல வேற ஏதோ பேசுவான் வேதாந்தம் தவிர சிஷ்யன் என்ன பண்ண குரு. ஓகே ஓகே, பட் whom Guru loves, tell me recently. Who loves the vidya more and who want to learn more this vidya, that is the real relation between Guru and Shishya. இது இல்லைன்னா ஒருவேளை அந்த ரிலேஷன் இருந்தா அந்த ரிலேஷன் ரொம்ப நாள் இருக்காது. புரியுறத? இந்த ஆத்ம வித்யா லிங்க் இல்லாமலே எந்த அந்த குரு சிஷ்ய ரிலேஷன் ரொம்ப நாள்ல இருக்க முடியாது, இருந்தாலும் சரியா இருக்காது. ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. அதனால குருன்னா குரு only because of vidya. All relations are secondary. அப்படி இருந்தாதான் நமக்கு ஞானம் வரும், இந்த குருக்கு is also happy. Okay, these are all aside points. Okay, now Yamadharmaraja tells, see, you are Satyadhritihi. I am an unintelligent fellow, but what I did, all Nachiketa Agni and all I performed, I asked for Swarga. Like you, I did not ask for Moksha. Therefore he tells now, Yamadharmaraja admiration is so high towards Nachiketas in the next mantra na solruden. Yamadharmaraja's admiration towards Nachiketas eppadi angiradhu ipo in the 10th mantra reveals. We'll read that mantra. Janamyaham sevadhiritya nityam, janamyaham sevadhiritya nityam, नह्य ध्रुवै प्राप्यते हि ध्रुवं तत्, ततो मया नचिकेतश्चितोऽग्निः, अनित्यैर्द्रव्यै प्राप्तवानस्मि नित्यम्, Aham, first line. Aham shevadhi nityam anityam shevadhi anityam janami. Aham janami, I know. What is that? Anityam. So that last nityam should come to the second line. Aham shevadhi anityam iti janami. Shevadhi means karma phalam. Karma phalam, karma phala lakshanam, swargam. What is that? Swarga is the product, is the result. That is anityam, that is temporary, ashashvatam. I know that, janami. Impermanent, I know that. Because, how do I know? He is there. Next second line, hyadhruvaihi. He plus adhruvaihi. Because I know the karma phalam is impermanent. Because the reason is tat dhruvam na prapyatehi adhruvaihi. Tat nityam, we can supply that nityam also here. That permanent Atma Swarupam, Brahma Swarupam, or dhruvam. Dhruvam means that which is permanent, steady, that which exists all the time. Adhruvaihi na prapyate. By the impermanent means, adhruvam means opposite to dhruvam. Adhruvam means unsteady, impermanent, ashashvatam, anityam. Sadhanas. By all the temporary sadhanas, impermanent means என்ன ஒரு சாதனமா வச்சிருந்தே அசாஸ்வதமான சாதனங்களை வச்சிருந்தே சாஸ்வதமான கம்யம் அடைய முடியாது. கரெக்டா தானே? ஓகே, தேங்க் காட். So, in the ashashvatamana anartham, in the Nachiketagni, all other rituals, any homa, anything, whatever you do, whatever they give is temporary result only. Because these are all temporary. Therefore, these impermanent yajna, yaga, homa, agni, fire rituals and all temporary things can give what? Temporary. They cannot give permanent. Therefore, adhruvaihi dhruvam na prapyate. Aham janami karma phalam anityam iti janami. Because of this reason. Not only that, hey Nachiketas, oh Nachiketa, tataha agnihi, having known this, having known this itself, I have done a mistake. What mistake I have done? Tataha agnihi chitaha maya. Third line. Maya Nachiketagnihi chitaha tataha aham anitya dravyaihi nityam praptavanasmi. The first line, sorry, I did a mistake. First line, Shevadhiritya anityam is there. Shevadhihi iti anityam ani padikkanam. Okay. So, the nityam is there separately. Fourth line, first line, Shevadhihi iti anityam, Shevadhiritya anityam. Fourth line, nityam da inga useful. Okay. Okay, correct it. If you have written wrongly, correct it. Shevadhihi, the karma phalam, anityam iti aham janami. I know that karma phalam is temporary. But what I have done, maya nachiketagnihi chitaha. I also performed the Nachiketagni ritual when I was young. For this Swarga, I also did. I know the temporary benefit only. But I asked for Swarga. Therefore I came to Swarga. In Swarga, what is my job? Yamadharmaraja job I am doing. Ella vacation, vacating a job anamata. Ella vacate panna vekkanum ellarume. So that's what I got it. Tataha agnihi chitaha maya anityaihi dravyaihi. Anityaihi means with impermanent, temporary, ashashvatam, ephemeral. Dravyaihi with materials. Dravyam means whatever you use for yajna, yaga, homa or anything. Dravyam, any dravyam as a means you use. If I do this, I go to Swarga. If I do this, I go to Swarga. In the dravyam anityam, anitya dravyam use pannina nityamana swargam varuma moksha. Anityamana swargam varum. இல்லையோ? அனித்தியமானதுன்னு சொல்றது நித்தியம்னு சொல்றாரு இங்க. ஏன் நித்தியம் சொல்றாருன்னா பர்மனன்ட் ஜாப் மாதிரி சொல்றேன். என்ன பர்மனன்ட் ஜாப்னு? ஓகே. அனித்யைஹி திரவ்யைஹி பிராப்தவான் நித்யம் அஸ்மி. I have attained this permanent Swargaloka. How the Swargaloka can be permanent? With compared to human பூலோகா, ஸ்வர்கலோகா இஸ் பர்மனன்ட். அது மாதிரி பர்மனன்ட் ஜாப் மாதிரி. இப்போ வரைக்கும் ப்ரொபேஷன் பீரியட்ல இருக்கான், இதெல்லாம் ப்ரொபேஷன் பீரியட் மாதிரி. ஓகே, ஐ காட் பர்மனன்ட் ஜாப். ஆளே பர்மனன்ட் இல்ல, என்ன ஜாப் பர்மனன்ட்? ஆனாலும் கூட பர்மனன்ட் ஜாப்னு ஒத்துக்கிறோமோ இல்லையோ? அது மாதிரி யமதர்மராஜா ஆல்சோ 2000 சதுர்யுகாஸ் ஒரு நாள் அவருக்கு. 2000 சதுர்யுகாஸ். இமேஜின். One day for Yamadharmaraja, namakku 24 hours. For one day, how many hours for us? Enna number edo thariyadu. Different varudhu. 1 hour ki ethana mani neram? How many hours? 24 hours. அது மாதிரி பிரம்மாஜிக்கு ஒரு நாளுக்கு 2000 சதுர்யுகாஸ் ஆனா ஒன் டே அவருக்கு. அப்ப பர்மனன்ட் தானே. சோ பிரம்மாஜி எங்க இருப்பார்? அந்த ஸ்வர்கலோகத்துல. இது லைஃப் பர்மனன்ட் ஆஸ் இட் வர். அந்த ஆபேட்சிக நித்தியத்துவம், நாட் ஆத்தியந்திக, நாட் அப்சல்யூட் பர்மனன்சி, பட் ரிலேட்டிவ்லி வித் கம்பேர் டு அதர் லோகாஸ் இட் இஸ் பர்மனன்ட். அப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். சுவாமினி இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு டிரான்ஸ்லேஷனா? நிஜமா நித்தியமன் இருக்கீங்க. பாஷ்யக்காரா Shankaracharya writes, Nitya means apekshika nityatvam. How can Swarga can be permanent? If every Swarga is permanent, moksha, nobody need to study Brahma Vidya, Atma Vidya. Namak edhukku vilindu inga pannanum? So, நான் எல்லாம் கஷ்டப்பட்டுட்டு ஆயாசப்பட்டுட்டு நான் எல்லாம் நாச்சிகேதாக்னி பண்ணிட்டேன். impermanent திரவியம் all, and you did Nachiketa, you throwed all these things, he says. So, by knowingly I have done all these things, I got this Swarga. I did not ask for moksha at your age. Okay, plavahete adhrida yajna rupaha. All yajna rupas, all the results of yajnas are plavaha, just like floating. Adhridaha. But I did it and I got the impermanent, permanent Swarga as it were. But you are very intelligent. You asked Nachiketa not for your sake. But second boon kuda poidlam illiyo? Third boon edukku? That means what? Second boon Nachiketa ritual what he asked is not for his sake. ஞாபகம் இருக்கோ? செகண்ட் boon Nachiketa ritual ஞாபகம் இருக்கு இல்லையா? அப்ப thank God. அந்த ரிச்சுவல் he asked for the sake of people. Afterwards he stood there itself and he asked for Brahmajnana. That means what? I am not interested in this Nachiketa ritual, and I am not interested in the result of that Nachiketa, that Swarga. I am interested in this Brahma Vidya. Therefore you are intelligent than me, Nachiketas. சொல்றார். எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஆனந்தமா இருக்கு இந்த போர்ஷன் படிக்கிறதுக்கு. அந்த குரு இந்த சிஷ்யனை பத்தி எவ்வளவு ஆனந்தமா சொல்றாருன்னு. வெரி நைஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட் 11th mantra we will read. कामस्याप्तिं जगतः प्रतिष्ठाम् क्रतोरनन्त्यमभयस्य पारम् स्तोममहदुरुगायं प्रतिष्ठाम् दृष्ट्वा धृत्या धीरः नचिकेतोऽत्यस्राक्षीः He is frankly admitting himself, I am not intelligent like you. பாருங்க, அதை விட கிரேட்னஸ் ஒன்னு கிடையவே கிடையாது. குரு சிஷ்யன் பிரைஸ் பண்றது இது ரொம்ப ரேர். ஜெனரலா சிஷ்யன் குருன்னு பிரைஸ் பண்றது நார்மல். பட் இந்த குரு சிஷ்யன் பிரைஸ் பண்றான்னா அது ஆச்சரியகரமான விஷயம். That student must be something great. So really gurus also feel proud to have such sishyas. சிஷ்யன் என்ன மேல கிரேட் అని சொல்றதுக்கு குருவுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். சில குருஸ்க்கு தான், எல்லாருக்குமே கிடையாது. Some gurus will like, real gurus will like, no, my sishya is so great. சில குருஸ் அந்த சிஷ்யன் மேல வராமலே பண்ணிடுவா. They are not real teachers, no, they are not real gurus. Real guru is one really when in the sishya is coming up in so many ways. Maybe in studying some other subjects, talent, communication, maybe it's so great, no? The guru is so happy. Real jnani guru will be happy. So he continues that. What he says, this Nachiketagni ritual that which gives the phalam, is it not a samanya phalam? It is not a ordinary result. No, praising Nachiketa by saying that what he has rejected is not an ordinary thing. That ordinary thing is not rejected. He has rejected the highest post, Hiranyagarbha post, Brahmaji. That power, the status, the post of Hiranyagarbha, power he has rejected. Who? Nachiketas. So he is praising the results of that Nachiketagni now. What a great power it is. அப்படி சொல்லி அந்த கிரேட்னஸ் ஆஃப் த நாச்சிகேதாக்னி சொல்லி அந்த அளவுக்கு இருக்கிற கிரேட்னஸ் கூட நீங்க அப்படி தள்ளி விட்டுட்டீங்க. எவ்வளவு கிரேட் யூ ஆர் அப்படி சொல்றது மாட்ட கம்பேரிசன். See that. Kamasyaaptim jagatah pratishtham. Kamasya, number one. See, one by one up to third line is the result greatness of the Nachiketagni ritual. What are all things a person can attain by performing this Nachiketagni ritual? Number one is Kamasya Aptim. Hiranyagarbha Padavi, hey Nachiketas, Hiranyagarbha Padavi is a pinnacle of sense pleasures. Kamasya Apti. Kamasya means of that sense pleasures. Sense pleasures உலகத்துல ஏதாவது இருந்தா அது ஹிரண்யகர்ப்ப பதவியிலோதான் இருக்கு. இப்போ whole world is enjoying sense pleasures is not a pleasure at all. According to heavenly pleasures, if you compare, they are nothing. So Hiranyagarbha Padavi, it is a pinnacle. Pinnacle means what? The highest, the last, no matter, final. That is that sense pleasure, of the sense pleasure. Then Jagataha Pratishtham. Hiranyagarbha Padavi is the universal, no? Jagataha Pratishtham, universal post, powerful post. Hiranyagarbha post is a supporting the universe. Who is supporting? Hiranyagarbha alone is supporting the universe. That means what? Whoever gets the Hiranyagarbha post, the power, he is the supporter of universe. So Jagataha Pratishtham. President eppadiyo? Indian president. Highest post thane. Enna post irukkenna? All post, all powers are in his hands only, Even Prime Minister also. All people are under his control. President's control. Similarly, these other devatas, sun will rise. Sun has to set by the order of this Hiranyagarbha. The Vayu, the air has to breathe, stop and stop, rain and rain. Madras mattume rain and rain angada. So he is the governor, controller. So every devata, they have to perform their duties by the order, by the control, by the governance of the Hiranyagarbha. They are all under his control. The rain, breeze, lightning also. Thunder, lightning. எங்கெங்க இடி விடணுமோ கீழே விடணும், எர்த்துக்கு எங்க வரணுமோ அங்க வரணும். வந்தாலும் கூட அவனுக்கு பிராணம் ஒன்னும் ஆகக்கூடாதுன்னு ஆகக்கூடாது. அப்படிதான். ஒன்னும் இல்ல பசுக்குன்னு பாத்ரூம் விழுந்துட்டா அவனுக்கு பிரேக் ஆகணும்னு ஆகணும். அவ்வளவுதான். So therefore this whole power is in the hands of Hiranyagarbha. அந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு வந்தா எவ்வளவு நல்லா இருக்கும். நமக்கு வந்து அவ்வளவுதான், ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஒரு கண்ட்ரி இருக்கவே முடியாது. என்ன? That's why the powers will be in the hands of those people who knows how to implement. Otherwise very difficult. Then kratoho anantyam, anantya phalam. Kratoho phalam anantyam, anantya phalam, that means longevity. Hiranyagarbha Padavi has got a longevity, means long time. Longevity, Tatoho Anantyam. Na Antyam Asti, Anantyam. There is no end for it. It is a long life. So now a long life, 2000 Chaturayugas one day, and suppose he lives 150 years. Imagine how many yugas, how many kalpas he will live. Brahmaji. நம்முடைய சிட்டா எல்லாம் ஜாதகம் எல்லாம் அவர் கையில தான் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? So many years he lives. And anantyam kratoho phalam abhayasya param. Abhayasya param means Hiranyagarbha post is the most secure one. பயமே இருக்காது, இன்செக்யூரிட்டியே கிடையாது. என்ன லாங் டைம் யாரும் வந்து நம்ம ஊஸ்ட் பண்ணுவா ஜாப்ல இருந்து கிடையாது. ஆல்ரெடி ஐ நோ ஹவு மெனி இயர்ஸ் கல்பாஸ் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு ஸ்டே. அந்த டோர் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி வெளியில. ஸோ ஹி நோஸ் ஹிஸ் நோ ஒன் கேன் கம் அண்ட் காம்பீட் ஹிம். ஆஸ் லாங் ஆஸ் ஹி ஹேஸ் டு ஸ்டே ஹி வில் ஸ்டே. நோ நோ நோ, அவுட்சைட். அபயஸ்ய பாரம், that means ever secure and artham. Bhayam illadane, that karaya சொல்லுவோம் பாரம் என்ன, that end. That end, what is that end? Where there is security, where there is no insecurity. Bhayam illadade. Security, insecurity always gives bhayam or abhayam? Insecurity gives fear or fearlessness? Fear. Bhayam it will give. So here abhayasya param means it removes my fear. That Hiranyagarbha post removes the fear. Abhayasya param, bhaya rahitam ityartha. Not only that, stomam. Stomam means stuti yogyam. Stomam. Stuti yogyam means most adorable. Most adorable. Everyone will come and respect the post. Your honor, your honor and all the time. Ellarum வந்து salute பண்ணணும். Most adorable. Stomam Mahat. So that's why the egoist person is the one who always expects more adoration. Adoration is everyone should respect me, everyone should treat me properly. இது ஆல்வேஸ் அதே இருக்கும் மனசுல. எங்க கொஞ்சம் கம்மி ஆனாலும் கூட தாங்கவே முடியாது ஈகோயிஸ்டிக் பர்சன். அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இரண்ய கர்ப்பக்கு ஈகோயிஸ்டம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லாதுங்க. அவனுக்கு கேட்காமலே எல்லாம் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் எல்லாம் வந்துடும். அதுதான் எங்க அர்த்தம். ஸ்தோமம் மோஸ்ட் அடோரபிள் ஒன், மகத் அண்ட் ஆல் பவர்ஸ், glorious and artham. Mahat means glorious. Glorious. Then Urugayam. Stoma Mahat Urugayam. Stutyam Stomam na praiseworthy and artham. Praiseworthy. And Mahat means all Animadi Aishwarya Ashtasiddhis he will get. That Hiranyagarbha. Urugaya means Vistiranam, extensive, vast. His power spreads to a vast extent. No? Lot of distance it spreads. Not only local, not like MLA, not like MP. Not like Prime Minister, not like even President. Emperor and whole world, he is the emperor. Urugayam, whose power is expansive. Urugayam, Urugayam and Jaladingo, Urugayam, Vengayam, Gadiadu, Urugayam, Urugayam, Vistiranam, Pratishthan. That Pratishtham, Jagataha Pratishtham is Urugayam, that is Vistiranam. This Pratishtham means the state of Hiranyagarbha. The position, the power is Dhiraha. In the fourth line he says, Anityam Drishtva. Such a powerful post which is great, glorious, magnificent and all powerful, Ashtaishwaryam. Such post, Dhritya, Drishtva, Anityam Drishtva, you have to supply Anityam. Having seen the impermanence of all these powers, Drishtva, having seen by you, hey Nachiketas, having seen, how he has seen? Anityam iti Drishtva, we have to supply. Drishtva anna nalla paathittu enakku venum sonnara, Anityam and Drishtva, having seen their limitation, their impermanence, Drishtva, Dhritya Dhiraha. You are the Dhiraha, means really courageous person. நமக்கு ஏதாவது விடுறதுக்கு மனசு என்ன ஆயிடுமோ நாளைக்குன்னு பயம். எனக்கு என்ன ஆகட்டும் விட்டுட்டா எல்லாமே. ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் எனிதிங். எவ்வளவு கரேஜ் இருக்கணும் பாருங்க. Dhiraha, Dhritya means with will power, with full determined mind. Dhritya, firmly, dhairyena. Atyasrakshi, you have discarded, you have renounced, you have discarded that Hiranyagarbha post which has got all these benefits with firm determination. Paathitu solren naalaikku sollala, without batting his eyes, even a fraction of second. நான் அது கொடுக்குறேன் இது கொடுக்குறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டாரு இல்லையோ யமதர்மராஜா. சொன்னாலும் கூட நான் அம்மா அப்பா கிட்ட போய் கேட்டுட்டு வந்துடுறேன் சொன்னானே. No, just give me 2 minutes time, I will think over and tell you what to choose. அப்படிதான் சொன்னாரு, சொல்லல. Immediately, on the spot. அதுதான் Dhritya Dhiraha Tvam Nachiketaha Dhairyena Atyasrakshi, just pushed now. pushed away all these things. It is unsurpassable quality in artham. See, praising in matter. Nachiketa praise pandrathu. That quality which you have is unsurpassable. No one can have easily this type of quality. இந்த மாதிரி renouncing mentality, வைராகியம், இந்த போஸ்ட் மேல உனக்கு இவ்வளவு வைராகியம் இருக்கு. அதனால you are fit to Brahma Vidya. அதுதான் காரணம். பாருங்க, விஷயம் என்னன்னா, since you have this renunciation mind towards higher powers, such a post, you are having real vairagyam towards pleasures. You are the fittest person for ஞானம். புரியுறதா? அப்ப நமக்கு பிரம்ம ஞானம் வரலாம், இங்க இப்படி இருக்கணும்னு அர்த்தம். ஏன் நச்சிகேதா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்காருன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது, நமக்கெல்லாம் இந்த வைராக்கியம் இருக்கா நம்ம பார்த்துக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. தம் துர்தர்ஷம் கூடமனுப்ரவிஷ்டம் குஹாஹிதம் கஹ்வரேஷ்டம் புராணம் அத்யாத்ம யோகாதிகமேன தேவம் மத்வா தீரோ ஹர்ஷசோகௌ ஜஹாதி. Now he gives that sadhana. Now appreciation of Nachiketa is over. What he has asked, that Brahma Vidya is what type of Vidya he is telling. How to get it, what is the result. In one mantra he sums up. Then he goes further elaboration. Now he sums up that Brahma Vidya, how to get it, and what is the phalam. Tam durdarsham. Tam devam durdarsham. That effulgent self, the self that you want to know. Tam devam. Devam is in the third line. That self that you want to know is durdarsham. Durdarsham means which is incomprehensible. Dukkhena darshanam asya iti durdarshanam. Ati sukshmatvat. Since it is so subtle, because of its subtlety, it is very difficult to know. Very, very difficult. Durdarsham. Then gudham anupravishtam. Guhahitam gudham anupravishtam. Guhahitam second line, gudham anupravishtam first line, gahvareshtam and second line. Say guhahitam. Where is this self, that which you want to know? That is in the guha, in the cave. Rishikesh lo or cave la irukke. Hitam enna abiding, residing. Where na? Guhala na. In the guha which is located in the heart. Here guha na nammudiya hridaya guha, heart. Indicates the mind. குஹல இருட்ட இருக்கும். நம்ம மனசுக்குள்ள புத்திக்குள்ள என்ன இருக்குன்னா அஜ்ஞானம்ங்கிற இருட்டு இருக்கு. அதுல என்ன இருக்குன்னா ஆத்மா இருக்கு. எவர் எஃபல்ஜென்ட் செல்ஃப் லியூமினஸ் ஆத்மா. మరి தெரியாது என்ன தெரியாது, அதுக்கு ஒரு காரணம் இருக்கு. ஆச்சாரிய டெல்ஸ், because it is covered as it were. Because of what it is covered now? Because of all your sense pleasures, your attraction towards sense pleasures, it is as it were covered. So guhahitam anupravishtam gudham, which has become hidden. It is hidden, inaccessible in artham. Gahanam, deep. It is inside. That's why உள்ள நோக்கி பாருங்க, உள்ள நோக்கி பாருங்க பார்க்கறது. என்ன தெரியுமா? ஒன்னும் தெரியாது. கஹனம் ரொம்ப டீப்பா இருக்குன்னு, which has become hidden, inaccessible. Gahvareshtam, which is the amidst misery. Gahvareshtam Vishaye anartha sankate tishtati. Shankaracharya says, all problems kulla idu irukku ulla. Eppadi or rose flower mullu pakkathula irukku illaya. So to catch that flower, you have to carefully have to go and get the flower. Adu madre. More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.